Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 9 of class 8 subject GK, historical battles. Following are descriptions of some of the historical battles to be identified on the basis of information provided below. Match the following descriptions with their respective name. These are the descriptions and these are the battles when they were fought. Okay, and did you know that is Safdarjung Museum is the third largest museum in India, housing the biggest one-man collection of antiques in the world. This is the fact. Now, this is the description. This rebellion is also known as the India's first war of independence. It is Indian Rebellion of 1857. So you have to write number 1 here. Number 2. The war was between Mir Qasim Sujauddin Shah Alam II on one side and the English on another. Was fought in 1764. It is Battle of Buxar. So you have to write number 2. Number 3. In 1757, the English won this major battle against Sirajuddaulah and became the rulers of Bengal. It is Battle of Plassey. Write number 3. Number 4. This war was fought in 1526 AD between Delhi's ruler Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Babur won and established the Mughal emperor in India. It is First Battle of Panipat. So write number 4. Last one. This war took place in 265 to 264 BC and was fought between Emperor Ashok and the King Kalinga. Ashok won the war but embraced Buddhism soon. It is Kalinga War. Write number 5. Now children, you have to do chapter number 9 in your textbook on page number 13. Coming to the chapter number 10. These are the genius Indian kids. Now, children are the future of any country. While many of the grown-ups dismiss what they say or do a kiddish, there are some of them who have achieved a lot at a tender age what the adults can only aspire for. Let us read to know about the genius children of India. First one is the Priyanshi Somani. At the age of 12, Priyanshi Somani became the youngest participant of Mental Calculation World Cup 2010. The mental calculator was the only one who had 100% accuracy in addition, multiplication and square root in all 5 mental calculation World Cups. Priyanshi Somani has been included in the Limca Book of World Records. Next is the Akrit Jaiswal. At the age of 5, Akrit started reading Shakespeare. At the age of 7, he performed a surgery on his neighbor. He became the youngest student to be admitted in a medical school and was regarded as a medical genius. Currently, he is pursuing his master's degree in applied chemistry. Third one, it is Shubham Jaglan. Shubham won the IMG Academy Junior World Golf Championship for the 9 to 10 age category in 2015. The 10-year-old hails from Izrana village in Panipat district of Haryana. Fourth one, it is Arvind Chitrabarma. The 14-year-old chess champion is a grandmaster and is frequently addressed as the next Vishwanathan Anand. Arvind ranked 1079 in the world and ranked 12th in the under 16 category. He became the Grand Master in April 2015 and the International Master in 2014. Coming to the fifth one, it is Angad Daryani. Angad Daryani is a high school dropout and the CEO of his company called Shark Industries Private Limited. The 15-year-old made India's first 3-dimensional printer and started his company. At the age of 8, he built his first robot and since then he has been developed technologically and experimenting. Sixth one, it is Sushma Verma. The 15-year-old is the youngest postgraduate in India. Sushma did her MSc in microbiology. Her classmates were 9 to 10 years elder to her and she ranked first in her first, second and fourth semester. Sushma was added to the Limca Book of World Records for being the youngest matriculate in June 2007 at the age of 7 years, 3 months, 28 days. Next one, 7. The 12 years old, that is Lida Sebastian. The 12 years old scored the highest possible IQ score of 162 on the Mensa IQ test, which was more than Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. Eighth one, it is Pranav Dhanavde. 15 years old Pranav Dhanavde of K.C. Gandhi School, Mumbai, broke a 117 years old cricket world scored by scoring 1009 runs in a match organized by the Mumbai Cricket Association. Ninth one is Kautilya Pandit. Born on December 24, 2007, 11 years old Kautilya Pandit is a child prodigy. Kautilya has a good memory and knows everything regarding the general knowledge, the geographical statistics and the basic current affairs. Researchers believe that Kautilya is a wonder kid and his IQ is around 130, which is rare for a kid of his age. So children, we have just read chapter number 10, Genius Indian Kids. These are some children who of the very young age, they all have such a good IQ or the abilities in them. Okay children, so you have to read chapter number 10 and chapter number 9 you have to complete in your textbook. So complete your work and read the chapter 10 and understand, and you have to keep remember the names of these kids. Thank you.